Scientists who study chemistry, better known as chemists, spend a great part of their day mixing things. In fact, many people of different ages, backgrounds, and jobs mix things together at some point during their day. For example, we may mix things while in the kitchen, while working outside, or while doing arts and crafts. However, the end result is not always considered a mixture. A mixture is when two or more substances are combined, but each substance keeps its physical properties, which is a characteristic that can be measured or observed. Mixtures do not have a chemical reaction, such as dissolving or burning. Furthermore, a mixture can be reversed, or separated after being combined. Let's start with a mixture you might see in a kitchen. Think about how you prepare a salad. You chop up the lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and maybe you throw in a crouton or two. You put them in a bowl and toss. Did anything about the ingredients change? No. Could you separate the salad back into its individual parts? Yes, you could do this easily. A salad is an example of a mixture. It isn't always easy to separate a mixture, but just because something is difficult doesn't mean that it's impossible. Let's move from the kitchen to the great outdoors. Soil is an example of mixture. It has many different substances, such as dirt, gravel, and sand. While it would not be an easy task to separate the substances, it could be done using a filter or strainer. Solutions are formed when two or more substances are combined, and the substances do not maintain their physical properties. Solutions go through a chemical change, such as burning or dissolving, and are nearly impossible to separate. Scientists call a substance that dissolves a solute, and they call the substance that the solute is dissolved in a solvent. When the solute is dissolved into the solvent, you have a solution. Once a solution is made, you cannot go back without taking very extreme measures. Let's go back to the kitchen. You've already made your salad, which we have already determined was a mixture. But now, you need something for dessert. What about a delicious cake? You combine the eggs, flour, sugar, and butter. Next, you put it in a pan and set it in the oven to bake. When you take the cake out of the oven, did anything about the ingredients change? Yes. Will you be able to separate the cake back into the eggs, flour, sugar, and butter? No. A cake is an example of a solution. Solutions can also be found in the great outdoors. Think about the ocean. The ocean is made up of salt water, which is a combination of salt and water. The water is the solvent, and the salt is the solute. It cannot be reversed without extreme measures. Therefore, it is a solution. Mixtures and solutions are seen in many aspects of our daily lives. A mixture can be separated back into its individual parts, because the ingredients maintain their physical properties, their ability to be observed and/or measured. Most solutions, however, are created through dissolving two or more substances, known as the solute, that which is dissolved, and the solvent, what the solute is dissolved in, and cannot be separated. See how many mixtures and solutions you can identify throughout the day.